Wow, look at this. You got the Kenmore heavy duty plus. Apologize the weight balance in this camera is awful. Wow. This looks super nice and looks like it's gonna run. Do we have any plugins? Yeah, we do. Some right there. Let's see. Twin fans, 2-speed. Overload protector. Push to reset. Wow. It was ahead of its time. Only 95. It was only $75. Wow, it must have been in the late 90s or something. Mowers sure don't cost that much nowadays. Yeah, or not mowers, vacuums, whatever. Well, I suppose she get some better lighting in here and try this baby out and see if she will work. Righty, well, it looks like we're all ready for a little vacuuming test. As you can see, I made a little bit of mess down there. This thing sounds like it's going to be loud. We'll be ready. Turn the speed. Oh, yeah, push it down. You two just smearing the chocolate place. Come on now. Heavy duty plus because it's a consumer vacuum. Gosh. Alright, I guess I suppose that covers the test. It did vacuum up almost everything, if not smear up the chalk, which is all right here now. I just mop that up. Oh well. This is better than the Rico Bravo, whatever the heck that was in that before. The 15. Vacuum up its crumbs. Well, you just can't win them all, can you? Suppose not. Oh, what happened? Oh, did the thing come off? Oh, ultra cheese. Oh, it just all came out of there. Wow, that's probably why it wasn't working. Look at all this. It just fell out. Gosh. Stupid Kenmore. I don't trust Sears appliances from the 80s. Gosh.